So to make the strips and mummify your cookie, you want to take your favorite sugar cookie dough and you roll it out with a rolling pin in between parchment paper and then freeze it to make it easier to cut the strips. Then you take your favorite chocolate chip cookie dough recipe, create a divot in the center, and then you want to put red velvet cookie in the center for a nice spun red center in the middle. Then you want to put the chocolate chips all over on top. I like to place them individually to make it look nicer. Once that's done, then you want to take your sugar cookie dough out from the freezer, start cutting straight strips down. Then you overlay the strips on top of your cookie however you would like. Slowly overlay them. And then eventually cut out the eyes. I used a piping tip to do that. Then I place this in the freezer, let it sit and freeze for about 30 minutes to overnight, and then I bake at 350 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. After the cookie is done baking, I use a white edible shimmer and brush it onto the white strips to make it nice, white, and glistening. Then I use an edible gel onto the black sixlet so I can stick the eyeball onto the sugar cookie dough. And now he's complete. And the best part of making colosso-sized stuffed cookie is breaking it to reveal the inside. Everybody needs a cookie break. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.